Hey yo, what's up Flip Nation Squad? Your boy's back, starting my vlog off soon. I am about to order something from Amazon. iPhone mic, so you can hear me better. A tripod, so I can vlog better. And I need to go get water for the house. And then I'm gonna go to my farm and do stuff with my bro. Okay, so see you at the farm.
Okay, here's Mia, my kitty. Well, I got some hair on my face, but this is video without fisheye macro lens, and this is with it. Comment down below what you like. I feel like this one's more wide angle. Okay, now there's that kid. Dog. Yeah, but this is more wide angle. But come here, Butch. Watch, this is my dog. Come here. Oh. And I could get more like sick photos, get more freaking stuff in it. So like, look at this. Oh, it's not clean at all. I hope that's good. Might be a bit blurry, but okay. So starting off in our shop. Oh, it's really blurry. Like, look at that. That's good for wide angles. This is our quad right there. Like, okay, yo, I'm gonna start vlogging with this. I'm actually ordered. Well, this Friday I'm ordering 5 things. I don't know how much it is in total, but you gotta be savage for YouTube. But I'm ordering. Oh, what's it called? Oof. First thing is BMX pedals. Like, they're like the color of Lance 210's car, Audi R8. There's the color. Was that a mosquito? Huh. Or that already. No snow anymore. Yeah, let's get it. But no kittens following me. Okay. Let's explore. But yeah, I ordered BMX pedals, BMX gold grips with like their gold barns. Okay, look what me and my brother created one day. BMX jump, but we never took it home. My dad made me a sicker one. But my arm's getting tired. That's why okay. I'm gonna hold you guys down like this because arm's getting tired. But yeah, BMX pay or what are they called? What did I just say? BMX pedals, grips. That's 2. And then selfie stick, like a good tripod. Then I ordered a mic so you guys can hear me better. And then yeah, so selfie stick mic. So it'll be like boom. What's up, you guys? But I'll hold you guys like this. Sorry if you see my hand a bit. But we gotta get on these bales. Yeah, but and then I ordered these 6 shades, boy. Well, I'm ordering them on Friday, so haven't ordered them yet. But my farm is dope, you guys. I can vlog anywhere I want, when I want. Okay, but we need to get up here without my dog jumping on me. Butch, let me up. Comment or poll. Is he cute? Oof. Oof. Like, this is what it usually looks like. And my arms clenched. Yeah? Someone just called my name. What do you want, Nathan? Where'd he go? Butch, find him. You guys heard that, hey? Where'd he go, Butch? That tractor right there, the big one. I drive, I mean. Pick it up. gonna act like a throw stick. Butch, look! Good, Butch, move. Okay, now I gotta climb up here. Kitty. Butch, what you doing? Sit you guys up somewhere. Yo, I don't know if you guys can see that. Watch this. Geese are gonna go over me. Can you see that? Do you guys want to know why one V is longer? One side is longer than the other? It's because there's more geese on that side. You gotta be able to see them now. Oh yeah, you can. Yeah. Geese, actually, they're actually longer in one because there's always one that directs where they're gonna go. Yeah? Okay. It's time for me to go. So, I have to finish my Pepsi because I had Pepsi. But I'll pick up this kitty. Oof. I'll pick up you. Then Butch won't bug you. And we'll go to the deck. And yeah. And I'll finish my drink because drinks for days, Butch, leave it alone. Because drinks for days, see? Leave a like, share if you enjoyed, subscribe if you want. I'll see you guys in the next one. Roll the outro.
Zombie apocalypse.